370. Naughty boy, naughty boy. Thank you for making business. Hi there guys and girls, how are you all doing? One sunny morning to each every one of you. Day 82. Wow! Of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Yesterday was my 81, I forgot to mention it. Anyway guys and gals, road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Guys and gals, do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Beware and be aware. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel depressed, upset, sad, devastated, and angry. And your dreams will not push through, okay? Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful blessing. Bye for now.